DHCP Starvation attack. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Basically, DHCP provide IP configuration to the client. DHCP provide IP configuration like IP address, subnet mask information, gateway information, DNS information, and Win server information to the client. When client require IP address, it send DHCP discover message on the network. When DHCP server receive this broadcast message from the client, server send DHCP offer message. When client receive offer message, it send DHCP request message to the server. And when DHCP server receive request message, it send DHCP acknowledgement packet with the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, DNS, and Win server configurations. Sometimes it's also known as DORA process. So in this video, I will use Yersinia tool in Kali box to attack on the DHCP server. This tool will send lots of discover messages to the DHCP server. And this DHCP server provide IP configuration to every discover request. DHCP support maximum 254 IP address. So I will send above 254 packets discover packet to the DHCP server, and DHCP server will assign all the IP address to this request. So when the original client require IP address, but DHCP pool has been completed to assign IP address to the client. So this attack is known as DHCP starvation attack. So let's begin. So I have a Windows Server 2012, and this server will work as a DHCP server. Here I have Kali Linux operating system. Let me log in into Kali Linux operating system. And let me check IP configuration of the Kali box. Here you can see I don't have any IP address assigned with the VMware because I disabled DHCP configuration. Here you can see it is not tick marked. Use local DHCP to distribute IP address to VMs. Here you can see I have disabled DHCP. So Kali Linux not able to receive IP address from VMware DHCP. So let's configure Windows Server 2012 as a DHCP server. Before configure as a DHCP server, let me assign IP address to the Windows Server 2012. I will assign IP address 10.0.0.2 to the Windows Server 2012. So let's install DHCP role. Just go to the server manager. It is loading. Just click on add roles and features. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. And select DHCP server. Select add features. Click on next. Click on next. Again next. And click on install. It will take a few seconds. configuration required, installation succeed on Win2K12. Just close it. Go to these yellow marks, complete DHCP configuration. Click on commit and close it. Now just click on DHCP. Now right click here and just click on DHCP manager. Here you can see IPv4 and IPv6 settings for DHCP server. Just right click on IPv4 and here click on new scope. Just click on next. Define scope name scope 1. Click on next. Define IP address range. I will assign IP address range 10.0.0.10 to 10.0.0.253. Let me assign 1 to 253. Click on next. Here you can define exclusion range. I will define exclusion range is 10.0.0.2 only because I assigned 10.0.0.2 to the Windows Server 2012 machine. So I don't want to assign this IP address to the other computer in a network using DHCP. Just click on next. Click on next. Yes, I want to configure this option now. Just click on next. I don't want to enable any gateway informations. Just click on next. Click on next. I don't have Win server also. Click on next, next and finish. Here you can see address leases informations also. There is no any address visualizations. Here, let me configure network configuration. Here wired connection is off already. Let's click on connect and just give if config. Here you can see 10.0.0.1 is assigned. And go to the Windows Server. Just refresh it. Here you can see 10.0.0.1 is assigned to the Kali box. Now we need to go to the Kali and just use Yersinia -h command to get help of the Yersinia command. Here you can see -g is used for graphical mode. So let's use G for graphical mode. Here lots of protocols enabled like CDP, DHCP, DTP, HSRP, STP, BTP, etc. Now we need to go to the DHCP. Just click on launch attack and we need to send discover packet to the DHCP server. Just click on OK. It is sending 2 discover packets to the destination, to the DHCP server. Here you can click on list attack. DHCP sending discover packets to the target machine. Just click on stop